Hello to everyone. In today's video, students, you are going to see about the human digestive system. First, we will see what are the parts involved in human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of many parts like mouth, food pipe, otherwise called as esophagus, then stomach, you have liver, then small intestine, large intestine, jejunum, ileum, duodenum, like this many parts are involved. Pancreas, all these parts are involved in human digestive system. So when you take human digestive system, it starts from the mouth, and you have 5 stages of nutrition like ingestion of the food, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion of the food. What is ingestion? Ingestion means intake of food. Digestion means the complex food molecule is converted into simple food molecules. What is absorption? The simple food molecules are absorbed by the body, that is, it is absorbed by the blood and sent to all the parts of our body, and it is used for various functions. Assimilation is the usage of the absorbed food. Digestion means giving out the waste food from our body outside, that is, waste undigested food is excreted out through the anus. So these are the 5 stages of nutrition. So when you start the digestive system, it starts from the mouth. We ingest the food inside our mouth, we chew the food well. Teeth help to cut the food into small pieces. The saliva in the mouth added with the food, and it make the food into small pieces, and then it is swallowed. How do the saliva comes inside our mouth? Because it is secreted by salivary glands inside our mouth. Then when the food is swallowed, tongue help to push the food inside the food pipe. Food now passes through the food pipe, which is called as esophagus, and then it enters into the stomach. Inside the stomach, the food will be there for 3 to 4 hours, where it gets churned well. Some digestive juices and enzymes act on the food inside the stomach and make it into a paste form. Then after that, food is slowly pushed into the small intestine. Inside the small intestine, food will become more simpler form, that is, many more digestive juices and enzyme acts on the food, and it converts the food into simple liquid form. Then the liquid form of food, the nutrients present in it will be absorbed by the villi inside the small intestine. Then it is passed into the blood vessel, where it is taken to all the parts of the body, and it is used for various purposes. Then food also get oxidized, and it gives us energy. Then the undigested food is pushed into the large intestine, and it is ejected out, that is given out through the anus. Thank you. It is a simple explanation for digestion process.